The Lotus's Radiance, A Journey to Inner Peace. Once upon a time, in the mystical land of China, nestled amidst the serene mountains and lush green valleys, there lived a wise Buddhist monk named Master Li. He resided in a secluded monastery, high up on a mountain peak, where he dedicated his life to meditation, enlightenment, and spreading the teachings of Buddha. One fine morning, as the first rays of the sun kissed the mountain tops, Master Li embarked on a journey down the mountain. With his humble robes and walking stick in hand, he set out to explore the neighboring villages and share his wisdom with the people. As he walked through the village paths, his presence exuded tranquility, attracting the curious and the seekers of truth. People flocked to him, eager to hear his teachings and seek his guidance. One day, a young woman named May approached Master Li with a troubled heart. She was consumed by sadness and sought solace from the wise monk. Master Li listened attentively to May's tale of woe. She had lost her parents in a devastating fire that had consumed their home and all their belongings. Overwhelmed by grief and despair, May had been unable to find peace. Her heart was burdened with questions about the nature of suffering and the purpose of life. Master Li compassionately held May's hands and spoke softly, "Dear May, suffering is an integral part of life, but it is through embracing and understanding it that we find the path to enlightenment. Life is like a flowing river, sometimes calm and sometimes turbulent. The key is to navigate the waves with a peaceful heart." He continued, "Let me tell you a story of the lotus flower. The lotus grows in muddy ponds, surrounded by dirt and impurities. Yet, despite its surroundings, it emerges as a symbol of beauty, purity, and enlightenment. Just like the lotus, we too can rise above the challenges and sufferings of life to find inner peace." May listened intently, her heart slowly finding solace in Master Li's words. She asked, "But how can I find peace within me when the world around me seems so chaotic and unpredictable?" Master Li smiled gently and replied, "Peace begins within. Just as the lotus grows from the depths of the murky pond, you can find tranquility by cultivating compassion, mindfulness, and love within yourself. By embracing the present moment and letting go of attachments, you can discover the true nature of existence and find serenity even amidst chaos." Moved by Master Li's wisdom, May vowed to embark on a spiritual journey of self-discovery. She decided to dedicate herself to meditation and mindfulness, seeking the path to inner peace. Over time, May's heart transformed, and she became a source of inspiration for others in her village. Years passed, and May's transformation rippled through the community. The teachings of Master Li and May's own experiences sparked a wave of enlightenment, spreading the message of compassion and peace throughout the land. The village flourished with harmony and unity, and the people learned to embrace suffering as a stepping stone to personal growth. Master Li continued his journey, touching the lives of many with his timeless wisdom. His teachings traveled far and wide, carrying the light of enlightenment to all corners of the world. And so, the story of Master Li and May reminds us that even in the face of immense suffering, there is a path to inner peace and enlightenment. By embracing the teachings of compassion, mindfulness, and love, we too can bloom like the lotus flower, radiating tranquility and spreading the light of wisdom wherever we go.